Hello my friend, I wish all have a great day and a great weekend. Welcome back again. Today I just decided to share with you guys some of my setup about stock markets. I just want to mention something for you guys that please, if you want to trade in stock market, or if you want to try this business stock market, or not like forex or like metal or like oil markets, it means that guys, if you want to start and trade in the stock market, please trade in long term instead of short term. That can be very helpful for you. I have just two rules for the trading in stock market. The first one is this, that I am actually, if I want to trade in the stock market, I just trade the trend lines, for example. And now in here, like we are seeing in here, we are now in a very good uptrend movement. This is my first rule. And my second rule is this, that I will whatever I trade in the stock market, I just hold for a long term instead of just taking for 1 or 2 days. So this is just my two rules. What this is actually Facebook and monthly chart, and now, like I said, the Facebook is now in a very good uptrend movement. Actually, just price started from here, which was 16 something out of 16 or something out of 15. Ended in here, which is 216, then come to here, which is 124, and just again ended in here, which was 223. So now we are just in here. So what is my setup and monthly chart? I'm actually in this stock. I just started from 140 or 140, yes, something around here, and this is my target, which is 220. So yes, like I said, I know that if you just choose a lower time frame, and for example in daily time frame, you can see that we are now in a good downside movement. But like I said, I am interested to trade a stock in a long term instead of trading in short term. In long term, I just found a very good supporting area, which is this area. It means that I'm just keep watching in this area what will happen in this area, but it's very hard that the price can actually break and stay under this level. So this is in monthly chart. What's happening now in daily chart? I just want to mention one more thing again for you guys, that if I trade in for stock markets, I just choose for example monthly, weekly, and daily time frame. I don't go under this time frames. So yes, this is my another rule when I trade in stock markets. So what's now happening in here in daily time frame? In daily time frame, just the price just 1, 2, 3 times came to this supporting level and then growing up. But then this time with the price just coming here, price break and stay under this level. So now price come just again to this level. So what will happen in this level? There is just two scenarios. The first scenario is this, that if the price just break and stay above this level, so we'll see again to this high level. But if the price just rejected from here, it means that the price will come to this the supporting level, which is 121 or 130, something like this, like that. But if the price just rejected from here and coming down, so yes, I will keep watching it here. If the price came in here, so I will start my another buying pressure from here, in hope that the price will touch or will reach this level, or even more keep moving higher. So this is in Facebook. Now let's move to the Google. I'm actually interested in Google market also, stock also, because this is actually very good. So yes, let's just move to the Google in monthly chart. What's now happening in this one? Sorry guys, my internet is not very good. Because of that, it just have some lagging. So what's now happening in Google stock markets? The price actually just came in, like I said, trade with trend line. Yes, trade is now in a very good uptrend movement. So this is the first one. The second one is always keep your position and hold it for a long term instead of just take position and keep that in a short term. In long term, what's now happening in monthly chart and Google? Now the price is just near in this good supporting level, which is something around here, which is 1023 or 1030 or 1020, something like that. So it means that the price, I will keep watching in here, the price is now just consolidating in this area. I think this area has also a good potential to just to stop this rally and to keep higher and to push this stock higher. For example, to push this again to this level and even more to pushing this even higher. So what is now my setup in monthly for this stock? I am just to keep watching in here what will happen in here, but I think this level has a very good potential to stop this upward rally. So what's now happening in daily time frame? So in daily time frame, like we are seeing in here, guys, I just want to remove this one. So what's now happening in here in daily time frame? In daily time frame, like we are seeing, yes, in daily time frame we are now in a very sharp downside movement. It means that upper hand and lower hand of this Bollinger Band are now in very sharp downside movement. But yes, actually yes, this was a very good supporting level. The price actually 1 2 3 times came in here and then just supported from here. The price actually came in here, then we come back again in here. This time the price actually break any standards this level. So what's now happening in here? The price actually break this level, and actually this one is also like Facebook. The price actually break any standard level under this level, and then the price just come again to this area. The first scenario, if the price just break and stay above this level, so we'll see again this level. But if the price just rejected from here, so we'll see another. This is another. Also, there is also another supporting level, which the price just actually catch this level also with this supporting level also. So yes, but if the price just rejected from here again, so we'll see again this level. And don't forget, guys, that if you just want to put this in a very particular time, so yes, this is something like this. The price actually supported from here 1 2 3 4 times, then actually this time also supported from here. So yes, keep watching in this level also. This level is very important in the Google stock, which is for example 1000 1020 1010 or 1000 or 990. So yes, keep watching in here. This is a very good and a very strong supporting level, which can stop this downside rally. But now just price is now just in here, which is also another which was a supporting area. Now this is a resistance area. Keep watching what will happen in here, which is 1160 or 1170. Keep watching in here and also in here. So let's move to the another one, which is Tesla. I'm actually very interested in Tesla. Sorry guys, something like this. So I'm actually very interested in Tesla stock because of its potential, because of its beautiful cars, and it's actually, and if you just wanna keep through coronavirus in one side, you can find that actually this company has a very good and a very big potential actually to moving higher and higher. So this is monthly chart of Tesla, and now what we can see in here. Actually in here I have one supporting one resistance which turned to the supporting and another supporting area. What that means, that means that, guys, something like this. Just a minute, guys. This is my first supporting area, and this is my second supporting area. I actually also take this one also from here, and then I will share with you guys my analyze in daily time frame how I catch this this bottom. Like I said, this one is also in overall. This one is also in upward movement. This is my first rule. Always trade with the trend line. So now it's in upward movement. The second one is that trade in a long term instead of trading in short term. So in long term, the price actually came to this resistance area. Actually, the price just broke this level and then come again to this. So it means that this is, or there is also two scenario in monthly chart. The price, if the price reject supported from here, so we'll see again this rally but if the price just break this level, the price can come to this supporting area. Don't forget guys that this area is very strong supporting level, which can support this downside collapse, or if the price come in here. So yes, that is near 100% sure that you can start your buying pressure from here, but I am actually interested in here also. I just want to say that this is 157 or 160. This is 360 or 350 or 370, something like that. So what's now happening guys in lower time frame? In lower time frame, just a minute, just waiting to load this one. So actually there is a very good for example, there is a very good level. It means that there was a resistance level. Now that this one is coming into the supporting level, the price actually 1 2 3 4 5 times just rejected from here, then moved to this lower time frame to lower trend, and then come again to this level and break and stay above this level, and so we can see this level which is now in here. For example, this spiking high, which was something around 963. What's now happening in here? Actually the price is just coming and touch again this supporting area, and then from here I said, I started my buying pressure from here because of this zone which was a resistance. Now this one is coming to a supporting zone, so I just decided to start my pressure from here, which I actually start from here, which was 400. Yes, from here 400, and this is my target, which is something around here, which is 600, for example 630, 620 or 640. So like I said, overall I am very bullish about this stock, but what can happen for now guys? If the price can actually come in here, and don't forget guys that in here we will see another selling pressure from here. It means that the price will come again to the lower time frame, to the lower side. Just a minute guys, I just always say in lower time frame. But if the price can break this level and stay above this level, so we'll see again this resistance zone and finally this resistance zone. But for now, if the price just rejected from here and come again to here, so we have another supporting level also, which is something around here. So we'll see another supporting a level which is something around here. So yes, this is overall in daily time frame about Tesla. Like I said, the price is just actually catch and touch this supporting area and then rejected from here or supported from here to this resistance zone. But if the price just come again to this level, so we'll see again this level, which is 193 or 190. This is actually 360. This is actually 640, and this is actually 770. So yes, and then this high is actually 940 or 950. So yeah, this is my my setup or my idea about Tesla. So now let's move to Apple. Like I said, I'm now bullish in short term, but if I will keep watching in here what will happen in here, and here. But if you wanna just trade with the trend line and overall, like I said, you can just start your trading in monthly chart. What's now happening in monthly chart? Like I said, just a minute guys. Like I said, this area has a very good potential to actually to move this this stock higher if this area can't. So we can start from here, which is 160. So this is about Tesla. Let's move to the Apple. What's now happening in Apple markets or in Apple stock? So yes, this one is actually also very good. The price actually started from here and came also to this momentum or this high level, which was around 322, and now the price actually just came to this level, which is also which was a resistance area that's now coming to the supporting area, so This one is also in overall in uptrend movement. This is my first rule, trade with trend line. So this is an upward as the first one. The second one is, if you want to trade in stock market, please trade in long term. So I suggest it start from here, which is a very good supporting level. But if the price just broke in here, so we'll see this supporting level, which is something in here, which was a resistance, then come to support, and then we will see this level, what will happen in here. But I am interested in this level, which is something around 220 or 210 to 230. Keep watching in here what will happen in here. So this is all in monthly chart. Let's move to the daily chart. What's happening in daily chart? In daily time frame, like we are seeing in here, like I said, I just missed this one, but I decided to trade this one in the daily time frame instead of monthly time frame. So I am very interested in this level, which is 210 or 200 something around here in daily time frame. If the price come in here, so I will start my my buying pressure for long term. I said, this area has a very good potential actually to move this stock higher. So yes, this is all in daily time frame. In daily time frame now, we are seeing in here, we are in a short term and downside movement, both upper and lower hand of this Bollinger Band now in slightly downside. So I will keep watching in here what will happen in here, which is around 200, and then I will decide to whatever start my buying pressure, or to wait what will happen in I will decide it what will happen in here if the price just breaking the standard this level. So I will keep watching in here, but I am very interested in this level, which is 200. So now let's move to the another one. I said Google, Facebook, and Tesla, and I think this is all. So yes, this was my overall view about Tesla, like I said. And then I move to the Facebook, I move to the Google, and this is the Apple. Overall, all of this all of these stock index or an uptrend movement, and this is the first one. And the second one, that guys, please whatever, if you want to trade in the stock markets, please always keep your trade and hold it for a long term instead of just for 1 or 2 or for 1 week. So yes, so this is all about stock markets. I will post my analyze also about another stock markets also, for example like Amazon, like McDonald's, or something like that, and I will post that video all also for you guys. I just want to mention at the end, I just want to mention for you guys as that I just created a group and Telegram by the name of DreamLikeFX. I will be very happy if you and just join my group, and just we will discuss about every pair, about the stock markets, about oil, and about commodities, and something like this. I will share my best setup for you guys. I will share my my trading record also for you guys. And yes, please join that group, and we will discuss about this business. And yes, this is all. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye, and always be success in your trading life.